Hello. So, can you listen to my voice? Am I audible? Let's check if I'm audible or not. Okay, let's go to YouTube first and I will. Okay, let me share my what I say. Let me share my link with my community, the streaming link. So, we are now trading live. Let me check. Let me check. How are these people getting like 300 views and I'm getting like only one views or two views? This is not fair, yaar. Let's get started. We will begin in 5 minutes, so please have patience for 5 minutes, and I will start explaining the charts and the trades we will be taking. Okay, so we have done that. We have sent the links. Now let's see if someone joins. And I have one more task, so just give me a minute. Okay, so now we are live, and let's start with our analysis. We are expecting the NQ price US 100 prices to go lower. Let's look at our trade in gold. So we were trading gold, and this was the trade that we took. Here with this we took this trade, and we should have taken this trade on CFD as well, but we failed to take it. So that's what happened. I was hesitant about taking this trade at this place, but no tension at all. I will cover the losses and make profits in this session. So we are falling down now. We have a CISD plus FVG. Here it is our CISD, and here is our FVG. We will enter with this trade into shorts on US 100. So let's open the US 100 Nasdaq. We are done with. Okay, the market has gone down already. We will enter here short. Let's see if the market comes back once again to take our SL or TP. Let's see if we can add more. Okay, we cannot add more than this. So here do we. What the fuck? We are selling, man. We are not buying. We are selling. The market is on the sell program. So we are selling. Yes. So this is our let's sell limit. So we have sold here, and now we are looking for the sell side liquidity. Okay, so we are in the market now, and what we are looking for is sell side liquidity, and we are looking to get to the this end out. Okay, so we have sorted here, right? Just at this candle, we have our stop loss at somewhere here, and our TP will be this end dogs. Uh, Stop loss, sorry, the sell side liquidity below the end dog. So that is at 23,612, and TP is 23,612, 23,612, 23,612, 23,612. Here it is, 318 pips worth of. So we are right at the liquidity. Okay, so we are in the trade. Now let's see how it goes. We have sorted the market. This was CISD plus FVG setup, strong CISD plus FVG setup, CISD plus FVG. I think we should name this setup something. We don't know, but I don't know what I should name it, but I will name it for sure. Is there anyone in the stream? Please like the stream and subscribe to the channel if there is anyone in the stream. And if you have any questions, then please ask me in the chat. So we have covered our losses, that was $51, and now we will make profits after that. So if we get to hit our TP, we will make profits of about 2.5%. Yes, 2.5% of our profits will be made today if we hit our TP today. Okay, so Ariba, Arib, Arib, Asafaki. What about gold? You want to know the? So okay, let's analyze gold. Okay, so for trading gold, I have only one model, that is my Thunder model, and this was a trade that I took according to Thunder model. Okay, and right now let's look at 15 minutes time frame. The market tried to take out this liquidity, but it failed, and it now it's going down. But I think that the market will continue to push higher from here until this high is taken out, that is 4,481. Looking on the 5 minutes time frame, we can see the market is accumulating orders. A lot of orders are being accumulated here, and once the accumulation is over, I want to see a liquidity swipe. Let's remove this. You would like to see this liquidity swipe here. Once this liquidity has been swiped, you will come on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is the liquidity I was talking about, or even this liquidity. You want to see this, any of these two liquidities to be swiped out. Once any of this liquidity swipes is swiped out and there is a market structure shift, then you can look for longs till the Asia high. Or if the market goes below this, uh, or if there is market swipes this liquidity, let me show you something like this. If market comes down like this, swipes this liquidity, comes down and swipes again, then you will look for shorts from here till the opening price of the day, that is here. This is two case scenarios. The market can come down, swipe the liquidity, that means at that scenario as well the market can come down, swipe this liquidity, come up, come down again, then move up. to take out this Asia high. This is any one of the two, this any of these two scenarios will work out today. Let me do it something like this. Okay, but this one of these liquidities must be swapped out for either to go long or go out. You can see. Let me delete this upside scenario and let's look at the scenario where the market will go where is uh, here. Market comes down, takes out this liquidity, okay, then comes down again, comes up, makes a lower low, then lower high, then again makes a lower low, then makes a lower high. Then here is a liquidity swipe. Okay, here is a liquidity swipe up for the upside. Now you want to look for any uh, and then you would look for a market structure shift here. You would look for a market structure shift here. Rest would be market structure shift. Once the market structure shift has been confirmed, you will look for an order block here or fair value gap, then use that to take the down entry till this opening price. Now let's look at the upside scenario. The market will surely come down to take out this liquidity, any one of these liquidities, either one or this one. Once the liquidity has been taken out, wait for the market to give a uh, structural close, and it will come up here. Give a market to give a structural close above, I mean a market structure shift. Once this market structure shift has been confirmed, then look for any fair value gap or order block in this price leg and take that to enter into longs. And that is my view on the gold. Now let's come back at US 100. Okay, I'm glad that you understood. But I will take a virtual trade on gold. So don't worry if you are looking to take a trade on gold with me. I will take a virtual trade on gold, and you can be on trade with me. For now, just wait on this trade on NQ to be finished. This is 1 is to 6.67 trade, and this will put me in 2% of profit in my target. Then I will have only 2 more percent left to go to pass the phase 1 of wealth or a funded account 10k. By the way, you can get 25% off if you use code SachinM. The link will be in the description. You can even get a 5k starter instant account for $10 only. The link is also in the description. Now let's look at gold. Let's look at oil. Okay, so the oil prices are shooting up. It will take out this liquidity at 9504 level. I'm sure of it. Why is US 100 rejecting? Is there anything to be concerned of? There is nothing to be concerned of. Yeah, there is one order block here, but it will not drive the prices higher. I'm sure of it. Right now, we can just observe this trade. Let's see if this fair value gap works as a resistance or not. I'm hoping this fair value gap will work as a resistance fair value gap. Let's make it a little darker. Okay, let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is going higher. Okay, so dollar index is going to swipe out this liquidity. So that is another thing in our favor of analysis in gold. So if the dollar index goes, so if this dollar index is going up to take out this liquidity, so as the gold will come down to take out any of these liquidities. Okay, I hope you understand. And this is the previous thunder fair value gap that the market had rejected from. Let me show you here. The previous thunder fair value gap of New York session that I had taken a trade. Let's come back at US 100. And we are seeing that there is a market structure shift has taken place. With the body candle closure has yet not been confirmed, but market structure shift has taken place, so the market can go up again. Here is that market structure shift. This might become a breaker. So if this candlestick turns out to be a breaker, then I have to close my trade and look for another setup, either on gold or Nasdaq. Oh, welcome, welcome. Well, we are in a trouble right now. We have already candle closer here, so we have to close this trade. I don't want to take losses. We have breaker here. Okay, the market is just going up. I will just trail my SL once we get down. Once the market comes down, I will trail my SL because I'm not willing to sacrifice a second SL today. The market should have been going down by right now. Yeah, we have a breaker. We have a breaker. Here. We have a breaker, and the endog is here. The market should come back to endog, but it is pushing higher. So the market might come to which fair value gap. Where should the market? What is drawn liquidity above? The market can come up to here, like this was the liquidity swipe. This was the breaker, and the market never came back to the breaker. So that could be it. But let's wait. If this one is the breaker, the market will surely come to uh, touch it back. So let's just wait for that. And then I will trace my SL. Once the market comes here, I will trace my SL to break even because it is sign of reversal. Let's this candle close. Let me trail my SL to $10. Let's say. Okay. Now my SL is safe. My position is safe now. Now if the market reverses and respects this versus a breaker, then my SL will be safe at least. We are just witnessing something. I want this inversion. There is a volume imbalance, so this can become an inversion fair value gap. I want this one to be invalidated as well. Here we have another sign of market structure shift. I hope this one turns out to be a fake out at the level of liquidity. Now let's okay. So we are safe now. We are safe now. Our stop loss is safe. We are safe. Let's just let just this candle give a body candle close below this fair value gap. Then we can say that we are safe. No, so we are not safe yet. Let's look at gold. The gold is coming down as I had said. The gold is coming down to take out these liquidities. So is there any entry in gold? Actually, there is no entry in gold right now. Literally no entry. If you want to just enter the trade, just enter after this, because this was a resistance fair value gap. This might turn into a inversion fair value gap later. But for now, we are not safe. We are not safe. Our asset is not safe. The market might just return. What I say, what it's a reject and reverse from here. As I had said, the market just rejected from this place. So let's look for longs. I'm not on longs on go. I'm in queue. I want to go short. So we are stopped out with $10 in profit. So our total SL becomes to $40. Let's just do this break even. I think we have to take a trade in gold only. Let's wait for either of these liquidities to be swiped or any other liquidity from above to be swiped. Then we can look for a trade. The market can come all the way up to this breaker. Let's come back at gold. Let's look at Dixie first. Hourly time frame. The Dixie is going to take out this liquidity, so the gold has a potential to come down. So if the gold comes down, there must be a liquidity swipe that we can use at 1 hour time frame. We do have the liquidity swipe. Just waiting for a liquidity swipe on the gold, either on upside or downside. But the most probably the gold will go downside and take out the SELO, or at least come and touch the opening price of the day. Oh, you are still buying? What are you buying, bro? Gold or Nasdaq? Adi, what is your buy? Gold or Nasdaq? Nasdaq. Let's see if we can have any kind of longs to cover our losses. Actually, we are break even on this trade, so just close it. Let's call it BE trade. We will be here. Make it black. BE trade. Let's take this to left. Okay, this is a BE trade. Now this model has failed to deliver the prices lower. Thankfully, we did break even, and now this trade is just going up. Let's look at gold. I'm bearish on gold right now. I'm bearish on gold on US 100. If we get a body candle closer from this low, this swing low at 23,678, then we might get another entry to sort this market. This could be a fake out before diving lower. Let's see what liquidities do we have lower. We have a lot of liquidities down here. We have this is, which liquidity is this? Okay, so this is a major sell side liquidity. A major sell side liquidity is this one. And I am sure this will be taken out during NY session. Let me connect my phone to this charger. Okay, so now we can come all the way to major sell side liquidity, but let's see what will become our entry, if we will get any entry during the London session or not. I will stream till 5 a.m. Then the next stream will begin at 8 a.m. Eastern. Dollar index has created a market structure shift, meaning the dollar index can come down now. Let's see if this inversion fair value gap is respected or not. But before that, let's look at US 100. It is at in a interesting situation. Let's see if we get a body candle closer or below this. If we get a body candle closer below this, then this fair value will become an inversion fair value gap. Let's look at MNQ for this trade and delete this one, delete this one, add this one on the chart. We have volume imbalance, so we will cover the, so we will take the wicks in fair value gap as well. And now we are waiting for the body candle closer below this line, so we can take a sell minus inversion fair value gap. Let's look at gold. We are waiting for any of these two liquidities to be swiped. Yep. We have an entry in Nasdaq again. Just wait for this candle to close below this line, and we can enter with. Let's see what how much with. If we enter with this breaker, then our stop loss will be $90. If we enter with, okay, just lower this. Okay, just $200. So where did we enter? We entered here. Let's look at US 100. Now let's see. No, this is too high. I have to come this a little lower. Yes, this place. Where is the liquidity? The major liquidity is 23,559. 23,559. 23. If we do this 500, then our 23,557. 23,557. 23,557. Yeah, so we are aiming for the major sell side liquidity. We have touched the inversion fair value gap, but we didn't get filled in our entry. Now we are aiming for, what is our risk? Our risk is $57. Let's see if we get filled in, and if this inversion fair value gap is respected. Just a little bit more inside, just a little bit more inside the gap. M and Q. Yep, we can go a little bit more up. US 100. Our entry, exit, and TP market. Our entry is 650.85. Here, let's see if we entered or not. SL is 23699, 23699.78. We should be filled in by now. And exit is 23557. Let's just market entry here. I can't wait for this. Okay, I don't want to miss this trade, that's why I did market entry. But this increased our risk to $83 at 700. One more. I think I did the wrong move. I took the wrong move. 554. 554. So this is our trade now, and let's see how the trade will go. I think our trade would have been filled if we had not. Our entry is somewhere here. Somewhere here. That is. It is too much more than we should have. We we risked more than we should have. We risked way more than we should have risked. I hope this market is bearish right now. Only if this market is bearish we can like win this trade. 23679. The entry is 23679. Very bad entry. Now let's take the same trade on my 4 traders account. Right, this 100, this 100. Can't can only take 0.03. Sell. Stop loss will be above. Let's sell, and exit will be 25, 235, 23, 23619, 23559, 23559, 23559. I am okay with $50 of profit today. Let's come back to our wealth or funded account. 5 minutes time frame. So here we are. Now let's see how this trade goes. I think we have to wait till the network session still for this sell side liquidity to be swiped. Now just let now all we have to do is wait for this market to come down or take our stop loss. I'm sure of it, the market will come down. We are in macro time frame. The macro time frame will show its magic. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? In just one candlestick, it took our stop loss, and we are in $125 of loss today. What the fuck that just happened? M1. Should I get into this trade? Yes, I will get into this trade because the market has closed. My SL was here, man. The stop loss should haven't triggered. Is there news right now? Any? What is this happening right now? Was there a news? Was there any news? There should not be any news right now. What just happened? Our SL was not taken out, but still we get got out of the trade. We entered again because the market candlestick closed below the inversion fair value gap, which meaning this inversion fair value gap is still valid. I have lost nearly 2% today. Nearly 2%. The volume suddenly kicked in and we got out of the market. 2350. We are at 23553. We are way below our target. At least we should cover the losses of the day. This was something like never seen before. Thank you, Nathaniel. Thank you. What just happened? There was no news right now. Was there? Let me see. The news is there, but it's not now. It was Spanish minus, so it was not even red folder news, and there is no news anymore today. Like there is 10 a.m. Revised EOM consumer sentiment, which is semi-red folder news, orange folder. What happened? And the market is not going down right now. Let's look at gold. We don't have anything in gold as well. Is this profit will go in covering our losses? $125. $125 in loss. Ist. And our 2350, our TP is 2350, somewhere here. So let's see if this one is taken out or not. If we take out the 2350 level, then 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 we will pass this account. So did we cover our losses? $125 loss, 143 on profits. Yeah, we covered our losses and now we are in profits. So we have touched the end of. We had this 1:5 trade here. Now we have 1:8 trade here. We should go break even by now. The real volume has kicked in the market somehow. I think this trade will run till New York Open. I am just not. I'm just sad about we got out here. Although we the stop loss we did not hit. I think it was due to the spreads. Let's see if we come down. Well, if you are on my stream, please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Where I am trading wealth or a funded account, wealth or a funded 10k account in evaluation trade. The best thing about the wealth or a funded, I think, is the minimum withdrawal is just $50. We have covered, just we are just break even now. If we get in loss again, just that would be the worst thing. We haven't touched the end of that till now. Somehow the volume kicked in here at 41401. It cleared the buy side and then started to come down. Let's look at gold. We haven't taken out this any of these sell side liquidities, so there is no long or short scenarios here. The dollar index has uh, invalidated this inversion fair value gap and is now using it as minus IFBG and is going up. So if the gold is going up, the gold should come down. And our MNQ, we have I have sell side scenarios for this. See, it was way up, then here the market has cleared the buy side liquidity. That simply means that the market is willing to go lower. Now this is strange. In MNQ we are at the, we have touched the end of, but in US 100 we haven't even touched the new day opening gap. And looking at the futures contract, we can see that this liquidity was swiped. Yeah, this liquidity was swiped. We have swiped of this liquidity, but still the candlestick ended below this inversion fair value gap. This was ensuring that the market is bearish and it will go to the bearish side. That's why I am holding on to this trade, or I should have gone already out at our break even balance of the day. and look for trade opportunities in New York session. But since this market swiped out this relative equal high, I'm sure this what happened here. This relative equal high is swiped out, and then the market is be going down. So the market will continue to go down. Let's come back at US 100. This is going to be 1 is to at RR, nearly 1 is to 5, 8.5, like nearly 1 is to 9 RR. I will stream till 5 a.m. Then I will start streaming in New York session. Let's look at MNQ. Let's look at 50 minutes time frame and see we have any. Here we have our major liquidity. Any other liquidity? No, we don't have any other liquidity. We have this liquidity only. Then we have this liquidity at 10. We have this liquidity. This one is not major as well. This one is minor. This one is the major liquidity. Let's see if this one is swiped or not. We are one half nearly halfway through our trade. Not nearly even half, but one two part of the one third, one fourth of the trade is covered yet already. Let's see. Let's mark our risk to reward fee and see how much of RR we in. We are currently sitting at 3 RR and our target is 8 point something RR, 8.5 RR. We are currently sitting at 1 is to 3 RR and we are above the break even plus $80 something. We need $500. How much do we have? We have 380. We need $500 only to pass this account. So let's go to 525. We have 5,300. Okay, now we have $500. That is 23539. 23539. 23539 here. Yeah, it is possible. This is possible. So let's look up to this. Let's look at MNQ. So we have surpassed the today's opening price and now we are going down at the major sell side liquidity. Our target is just below the major sell side liquidity. So this is possible. This is totally possible. So let's hold on to this trade. Oh shit, man! What a big candle! Oh, I had started to rest. What a big candle on the bull side. What is happening right now? Where is this all volatility coming from? Let's see. Iran war live. Trump delays attack on Iranian energy sector. Okay, 10 days by 10 days. Okay. Iran US Israel live updates. RGC Navy commander eliminated. Israel live updates. IRGC Navy commander eliminated. Okay, so Iran regiment or Israel regiment. I don't know. Iran Israel live war updates. India 6 US waiver to buy Russian LNG. Okay. Israel Saudi intercepts drones in Riyadh. Oil resistant. Okay. US Israel Iran war news updates live updates. India has sought US waiver to buy Russian LNG Gulf disruption. How does this any of this has to do to with the markets moving like such volatility? This one could be one reason, and this one could be one reason. Al Jazeera, let's read it. The Iran war live. Trump delays attack on Iranian energy sector by 10 days. Okay. Trump says he will further delay attacks on Iranian energy infrastructure by 10 days until April 6, as he continues to claim talks with Iran on peace deal are going really well. Pakistan's foreign minister Zaf there confirms Islamabad is relaying messages between US and Iranian officials as part of mediation efforts to end the war. Wow, the Pakistan is trying to end the war. That's kind of a good news. With Turkey end the war with Turkey and Egypt also lending support. Now this can come to true for our mentor's prediction that Israel might find a way to attack on Turkey. Yeah, we are back on our track. What happened? What happened there? Why is my screen not playing? Okay, so it has begun to play now. I thought my stream is down just because I read the war news. Oof, it gave me goosebumps. Let's see the major sell side is swiped out or not in this during the London session. I think the major sell side will be swiped and the market will go further low because the above just now the buy side was swiped with an impulse candle. We are now halfway through our trade. We need same amount of moves now to take the full profit. Now let's look at gold. Ariba Fasik, Ariba, Ariba Safiki, Ariba Safiki. Now let's look at gold for you. Yes, this is what we wanted to see. The sell side liquidity has been swiped. Now we will look for a market structure shift towards the upside to look for longs. We need 200 more to pass our account. That is at $400. We can close this trade. Just have patience till our market delivers to our TP. the thing that makes me assure that the TP will be hit is that once we cleared the buy side liquidity, a huge buy side liquidity was cleared, and then the market started to fall down, which clearly means that the market will slowly fall. For now, so we have achieved 800 subscribers now. That's a huge milestone for me. Time to celebrate. Let's celebrate in the here. Celebrate it 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 800 subscribers. The market is taking U-turn. Market has nearly taken the U-turn right now. Oh, and this is not good. This might confuse a lot of people that the market will go up. Market will go up from now here. The market will go up from now here. But believe me, this is something that the market does to confuse people. But in reality, the market is totally going to go down till this major sell side liquidity. And once the major sell side liquidity is purged, our target will also be purged along with it. Just rest assured and see, we need to have patience in the markets when you are in profit. Just don't go and rush into anything. Have patience, man, have patience. The market will reward only the patient, both before the entry is filled, during during when you are looking for a setup, during you are in drawdown, or during you are in profits. You will have to wait for the markets. We are $651, need $151 more. It is fine. $500 we will hit our target. The sell major sell side liquidity will be swiped very soon. I know I did an impulsive entry here because my stop loss was taken out. But the reason was for is that the candle after taking out the stop loss, the candle closed back inside the inversion fair value gap, and that's why I took the entry back. We are back at the opening price, which meaning that the market can move hundreds of points down again, and our SL is and our TP is just a minor in that run, just a minor away in that run. It's bingo time. Let's look at gold and we'll see if our analysis is going right. So this is our last liquidity swipe, and this is our thunder structure shift. Okay, so if the market gives a thunder, if this is for you, Ariba Safik, Ari Abbas, Ari Abbas Safik, Ariba Safiki, this is for you. If the market gives a market structure shift here, that is MSS, after this liquidity swipe, you can aim for 1 is to 5 from here. You can aim for 1 is to 5 from here. Only if the market gives a market structure shift. Otherwise, there is no trade there. Let's see how this fair value gap maintains the prices lower. I need $120 more to pass this account. $120 more, that is $440 in profit is required. Well, this is a good candle closer. We will win macro time frame in just 9 minutes, and then we can expect, or I can expect, or I am expecting a price run below, a quick price run below. Let's look at MNQ. We nearly swiped out this liquidity, but then we come back onto this fair value gap. We can just wait. Believe me, after taking this out this liquidity, the market will just fall very quickly. Hmm. 30 seconds till this 50 minutes candle closer, and 5 minutes and 1 minute. 30 seconds more, and we will have new 50 minutes candle, and we will enter in the macro time frame in just 5 minutes. After that, we can go up to touch the end of, that is opening price of the day, and then come back down. Telling all the bluebirds, the billy cougars, pretty little baby, I'm in so love with you. You can ask the flowers and Billy ours, pretty little baby. Should we start music? Let's do music. I hope I am audible with the music as well. We will win macro time frame in just 3 minutes, and I'm expecting some big moves to the downside. I hope my audio and I am both are audible properly. And I know I don't talk much, but there are no people asking the questions, so I don't have anything to say. But I am not afraid of this at all. I want to say that I am not afraid of this at all. I am kind of little a bit of uh, concerned, but not I'm afraid. I am sure that the market will fall down to this level because there is major sell side here, and this is just a little bit below that, and the market can come down to this level for sure. And I'll pass the account even before the market comes down to this place, and we will win macro time frame in just 10 seconds. Okay, Vortex, you have sent an image. I will look at it later. Shit, move in the macro time frame. Let's see hourly candle. Okay, so this hourly candle got all these candles, and there is no candle here saying that the market can go down where I have marked the green line, but the market will come down for sure because this is the macro time frame, and this is what uh, market usually does during the macro time frame. It breaks the rules. It really very breaks the rules. How is this 5 and 6 candle is there? Oh, yes. Micro. It's Nasdaq indices, not Nasdaq. Now just wait for the next hour in just 9 minutes. But before that, I want to this clear sell side to be cleared out. As I had said, the market will come down and it will come down, my John. The market is coming down. Yes, I had said the market will come down and it is coming down. It's been 1 hour and 33 seconds, and I should be closing the stream in just 5 minutes, but I will stay here for like 30 minutes more to see if the SLNTP is hit or not. We need $120 more to surpass this account, so that's $100 more. When we complete $100, that is three for $51 more. If we have $450 in profit, we will pass this account. But for safety net, I have put the take profit at 522. 3 more minutes till the hourly candle closer. After this 3 minutes, the hourly candle will close. The hourly candle will close, and we will have new hourly candle. Hopefully, this candle will go down as well. We have come down a lot from the point of liquidity swipe. Just 2 more minutes, then last minutes to this hour candle, and then we will have the new hourly candle. How much more is needed to complete our target? We need 100 more dollars, $140 more, $125 was our. So we add in the new hourly candle, and this can swipe out the liquidity very well, or it can go up. We will know just now. We are still in the macro time frame. What will happen during the market open? The market, the price might move up. Or let's see gold. We had gold, long on gold, right? Did we long gold? Have we long gold? No, we did have a market structure, but we did not long the gold. We did not have a market. We did had a market structure shift, but we didn't get any long position here. So no, the gold was not long at all. Let's look at MNQ. This liquidity swiped. This liquidity also swiped. Now only the major liquidity is left to be swiped. I don't want to see anybody candle closer above this, or that will be the market structure shift, and that's what something we don't want. Okay, now this was a good candle. Oh shit, and another engulfing candle is just the next one, but not. But that's a good sign of bearish momentum. Still now, the market can go down. Still now, let's look at our need. Our need is still $120. We still need $120 in profit. We need $100 more, around $100 more in profit to meet our target. If we had not taken that loss, then we would have been passed. We would have passed this account already. Last 6 minutes to the macro time frame. Let's look at US 100. At our trade, how it is going. Yep. Did we close to? Oh no, $700. We still need 30 more dollars. Let's drill the SL now to here 3 something. Was the major sell sides taken out? Not on the MNQ. On MNQ it is taken out, but on US 100 it is not taken out still till now. We need $20 more in profit. We need $20 more or $30 more to, think I should just close this trade or trail the SL to $400. The requirements should be fulfilled by now. I should pass this account by now. Just I am above the target level. Let's come back at 1 minute time frame. Yep. So I passed the account. The first what was my average level? I just here. I have passed my account. Let's take a copy. So I have passed my phase 1 of my wealth or a funded account, as you can see. Well, you can use code wealth. Well, sorry, you can use code SachinM to get 10% off. So thank you for joining the stream, and I will end the stream here, and we will meet in the New York stream, and I will be with my phase 2 of Wealth for a Funded account. I am sure that I might get any certificate for phase 1. If I don't, then I will share the updates with you, and let's share it with my community. And I will close the stream in 2 minutes. So bye bye. Have a nice day. Be safe and stay strong. The market only rewards the patient. Bye bye. The stream. I'm closing the stream now.